Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to unlock Instagram with fingerprint on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open. Now just create your master PIN. Now once you create your PIN, just tap on done. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now, as you can see, there is a registered fingerprint and it is asking us if we want to use the fingerprint to unlock our apps. Just select yes. Now, if this option did not appear on your smartphone, just tap on settings and go to password settings. From here, just enable use fingerprint. And if you have not registered your fingerprint on your smartphone, once you enable this toggle, it will go directly to your settings app and from there, just register your fingerprint. And once you do that, just go back and tap on App Lock. From here, tap on the plus icon and select Instagram from here. Now just enable this toggle for Instagram and tap on plus. Now just select OK. Now just enable this toggle and tap on OK. Now just enable this toggle one more time. Now if you go to your home screen and open the Instagram app, it will ask you to enter your fingerprint. And this is how you can unlock Instagram with fingerprint on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.